Hello, welcome to Monki's channel. I'm Monki's human Grace. Today we're checking out the Colgate clock. Monki watches every pup carefully. Does your fur baby do the same thing? Today is absolutely beautiful and everyone's out. Monki likes grass, so the little park nearby is our next stop.
Hi, my dog.
You want to give her a treat?
Nice girl. A girl or a boy?
She's a girl.
My dog's a girl too. Her name's Rita.
Monki is so happy running around in the park. And I'm happy she's happy. Well, that was good exercise time. Now let's get lunch. Does your dog also like to watch you while you're eating? Going out with Monki is something I enjoy doing. It makes me happy. I hope our video makes you happy too. Share with us your favorite thing to do during the weekend. We'd love to learn about you too. Okay, see you soon.